In this video, we are going to discuss about the where clause. Where clause is one of the important clause which is used in SQL in order to filter the records. And the records are filtered in such a way that your condition, what you have given to the SQL is get satisfied. Suppose I have in a table named EMP and I am just want to see the records, all the records of the employee. So I just enter the query SQL select star from EMP and I see that after running the query, following result appear on my screen. And I see here that there is in the record or in all the records there are EID, name, department, age, gender and city. So suppose I want to filter the record of only those employees whose age is less than 25. So I have to perform certain filter in my query. How can I do it? In order to perform this filter, I have to use where clause in my query. So what I will write here? Select star from EMP. That is, I want to see all the details. So I like select star from EMP followed by where clause. Where? That is, I am giving the condition here. Where? What I want to see the details of employee whose age is less than 25. So I have to put the filter on the particular column name age. So I will write here age. Then as I want to filter the condition that it should be less than, greater than or like that. So I will put the operator here. That is, I put the operator less than here 25. And I put the semicolon. So you can see in this SQL query, I am writing statement select, then the name of the column, but right now I want to get the detail of all the columns. So I write star from EMP followed by where clause, then name of the column on which I want to apply the condition, then operator and 25. And I just run this query. I get the result. Suppose I want to see the employee whose age is greater than 35. I will write greater than 35 and enter. I will get this detail. So you can see that while we using the where clause, we can use the operators like less than, equal to, greater than, and between. Suppose I want that where age is between 25 and 35. So I will write like this. So if I want that age is greater than 25 and city is Mumbai, I will give this filter and the result appear on my screen. City is equal to Mumbai and result will appear on my screen. So you have seen that while using the where clause, we can filter the records using operators and where clause. We will put only select statement, then the name of column followed by the table name, then clause where and the specific condition, and thus we can filter the record as we want. So I hope this video is interesting for you. If you find it interesting, please like and subscribe. Thank you.